To optimize Aws Amplify Lambda functions, start by understanding the basics of Lambda functions and how they are used in Aws Amplify. Lambda functions are small code snippets that run on the Aws Lambda service and are commonly used to handle backend logic in Amplify applications. Optimizing these functions is crucial for ensuring the performance and scalability of your application. The first step in optimizing Lambda functions is to monitor their performance using Amazon CloudWatch metrics. This will give you insights into the execution time, memory usage, and error rates of your functions. Next, focus on optimizing the code of your Lambda functions. This can be done by using efficient programming languages like Node.js and Python, and by minimizing the number of external dependencies and database queries. Another key aspect of optimizing Lambda functions is to use the correct memory allocation. Allocating too little memory can result in poor performance, while allocating too much memory can increase costs. The ideal memory allocation will depend on the specific requirements of your function. Additionally, consider using caching mechanisms like Amazon ElastiCache or AWS Lambda caching to reduce the load on your functions and improve response times. It is also important to follow best practices such as testing and validating your Lambda functions, using environment variables to store sensitive data, and implementing error handling mechanisms to handle unexpected errors. Finally, consider using Aws Lambda function versions and aliases to manage different versions of your functions and to roll back to previous versions in case of errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Aws Amplify Lambda functions and improve the overall performance and scalability of your application. By optimizing your Lambda functions, you can reduce costs, improve response times, and provide a better user experience for your application users. Optimizing Lambda functions requires careful monitoring, efficient coding, and proper memory allocation, but the benefits are well worth the effort.